To check the comprehension level, we will do exercise A of the poem The Mulberry Bush. Comprehension means your understanding. Before doing the comprehension, let's have a warm-up session. All of you follow me. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your left hand in, put your left hand out, and shake it all around. Let's do the boogie woogie. Let's do the boogie woogie. Now turn yourself around, and that is all about. Now revise the naughty words of the poem The Mulberry Bush. All of you have to read after me. The first word is Mulberry, B-E-R-B-R-R-Y-R-Y, Mulberry. Again read it. Mulberry, B-E-R-B-R-R-Y-R-Y, Mulberry. The other word is B-U-S-H, bush, B-U-S-H, bush. Next word E-A-R-R-L-Y-Ly, early, E-A-R-R-L-Y-Ly, early. The other word is C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Next word W-A-S-H, wash, W-A-S-H, wash. Okay. J-O-B, job, J-O-B, job. And the last word is R-O-U-N-D, round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Now again revise them with me. Mulberry, bush, early, clothes, wash, job, round. Now sing the poem with me.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. These are the jobs we do all week, do all week, do all week. These are the jobs we do all week so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we iron our clothes, iron our clothes, iron our clothes. This is the way we iron our clothes so early Tuesday morning.
As you know that this poem is about different jobs that the children perform on different days of the week. So, who is talking in the poem? Yes, the children are talking in the poem. Okay, are they going round the mulberry bush or an apple tree? Hmm? Yes, they are going round the mulberry bush. Okay, in this poem, the children are talking about their jobs. Like on Monday, they wash their clothes, and on Tuesday, they iron their clothes.
Now let's do an activity. Here I have placed a jar. In this jar there are few strips of papers with questions written on them. Now I will shake the jar like this and I'll take out one strip. Okay, now just read the question with me. Who is speaking in the poem?
For this question, I will give you three options, and you have to guess the correct option from them. A. The girl is speaking in the poem. B. The children are speaking in the poem. C. The boy is speaking in the poem. I'll give you 5 seconds to think and your time begins now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Yes, you are right. The children are speaking in the poem. So clap for yourself.
Now again I'll shake the jar like this and take out a strip out of it. And let's see what's written over here. Okay, now read this question with me. What jobs do the children have?
Again, I'll give you three options and you have to guess the correct option. Option number A is dance and play in the party. B. Cooking and baking in the kitchen. And C is wash and iron their clothes. I hope you all remember the poem and are able to choose the correct option within 5 seconds. And the counting begins now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Wow, you are very intelligent. And the correct option is option C. Wash and iron their clothes. But give me the full answer of the question. And the full answer is the children wash and iron their clothes.
Now, again I will shake the jar and take out a strip out of it. Now, let's read the question with me. What do the children do on Tuesday?
The options that I'll give you are the first one, iron their clothes, and the other one is wash their clothes. I know all of you are very sharp and you know its answer, but still I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time is up. Now I'm going to tell you the correct answer, and it is the children iron their clothes on Tuesday. I know all of you were thinking of the same answer, so thumbs up to all of you.
Now, the last strip is here. Just take it out. And all of you just read the question with me. How many days are there in 1 week?
How many days are there in 1 week? 7 or 12? You have been doing it. I know all of you know the answer, but still I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop! And the correct answer is there are 7 days in 1 week. Repeat it again. There are 7 days in 1 week. So now just say the days of the week with me.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Now let's do the written work. Let me tell you how to go about it. Open your notebooks, draw the margin line. Then on the top left, write down date, and on the top right, write down day. Then in the middle of them, write down classwork or homework. Means if you are doing it in class, write down C.W, and if you are doing it at home, write H.W for homework. Then on the next line, write down the heading of the lesson. Like over here, it's the mulberry bush. The first letter of each word should be capital and give one finger space after each word. And write this heading in the middle of the page. On the next line, write down exercise A inside the margin line and write comprehension under the heading of your lesson. like over here, COM, com, PRE, pre, HEN, hen, SION, shun, comprehension. And your work should look like this. Then on the next line, write down Q under exercise A, where Q stands for question, and start writing the question after the margin line. And the question is, who is speaking in the poem? You will start with the capital letter, give one finger space after each word, and put a question mark at the end of it because it is a question. Again, read the question with me. Who is speaking in the poem? And the answer is, the children are speaking in the poem. Always begin your answer from a new line. Don't start writing from where the question ends. Like over here, write down A and S for answer inside the margin line. And after the margin line, write down the answer, and it is, the children are speaking in the poem. The first letter of the answer should be written capital. Like over here, T is capital for the word the. Give one finger space after each word and put a full stop at the end of the answer. Now keep in mind that at the end of the question put a question mark, and at the end of the answer put a full stop. Okay, write Q on the next line inside the margin line. After it, start writing the question. And the question is, what jobs do the children have? Start it with a capital letter. Like over here, WHAT, what? So, the first letter of this word what should be capital. Like over here, W is capital. Then give one finger space after each word. And at the end, just put a question mark. After doing it, again read the question. What jobs do the children have? The answer is, the children wash and iron their clothes. So, write down A and S inside the margin line. After it, start writing the answer. As over here, the first word is THE, the. So, the letter T should be capital. Then give one finger space and write down the other word, children. In this way, you have to write down the answer. And at the end of the answer, you have to put a full stop. And please keep in mind that you have to do your work neatly. The next question is, what do the children do on Tuesday? For this, write down Q inside the margin line. After it, start writing the question. As what is the first word of this question? So W should be capital. Then give one finger space after each word, and at the end put a question mark. And the answer is, the children wash their clothes on Tuesday. So first write down A and S answer inside the margin line. After it, start writing the answer. And the first letter should be capital. Like over here, the first word is THE, the, and its first letter is T. So T is capital. After this, give one finger space after each word, and at the end put a full stop. Do your work neatly. Okay? And the last question is, how many days are there in 1 week? So Q of the word question should be inside the margin line. After it, start writing the question. Give one finger space after each word, and as it is a question, so put a question mark at the end. So how many days are there in 1 week? Yes, the answer is there are 7 days in 1 week. Start writing the answer from the new line. First, inside the margin line, write down ANS for answer. Then after it, write down the answer. That there are 7 days in 1 week. As it is the answer, you have to put a full stop at the end. I hope all of you have done your work neatly. Let's have a quick recap. The first question is, who is talking in the poem? Its answer is, the children are talking in the poem. The next question is, what jobs do the children have? Its answer is, the children wash and iron their clothes. The next question is, what do the children do on Tuesday? Its answer is, the children wash their clothes on Tuesday. And the last question is, how many days are there in 1 week? And its answer is, there are 7 days in 1 week. Okay, have you noticed that Tuesday is written with capital T? Can you guess why? It's because all the days of the week are written with a capital letter. So, whenever we write the days of the week, they always start with a capital letter. Can anyone tell me the days of the week? Let's revise the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, your homework is to write down the days of the week on your copy. And all of you have to read this lesson, The Mulberry Bush, again at your home. Thank you.